Hi, Jay there. In this short and simple video, let me quickly show you how you can fix the bug key system on Roblox ARCEUS X 2.0.10 or 2.0.11. Solving these issues on your Android device is tricky, so don't skip this video. By the way, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to solve any problem regarding Roblox account. Now to solve bugs key system on Roblox, first you need to activate your developer mode. To activate that, open Setting, tap About. Tap on MIUI depending on what device you're using. Please turn on the developer mode on your Android device and follow the tutorial. Now go back, scroll down. Tap Additional Setting, scroll down. Tap Developer Mode. Now you need to find smallest width. Tap on smallest width. Now choose and set it to 550. Now click OK to save it. Now open the Roblox game. Now you need to complete the critical system with no bugs. Now complete the key system. Now let me speed it up on the edit. Now let's wait a while. Now we're done. Now guys, all the systems are available here. Now guys, if you still have issues with your bug key system on ARCEUS, be sure to let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.